go for a truly enchanting ride on this big, old-fashioned Ferris wheel which lifts the riders over 130 feet into the air. There are 36 gondolas and each gondola can accommodate up to 6 riders. One gets a breathtaking view of the entire theme park and the surrounding areas of Laguna Province from the top of the Wheel of Fate. Minimum height to ride is 48 inches. Guests who are 36 inches to 47 inches tall must be accompanied by a chaperone. Disabled guests must be assisted by companions. Guests should be in good health, free from motion sickness and other conditions that may be aggravated by this ride. Minimum of 2 and maximum of 6 guests allowed per gondola.
Mabagal lang. Hindi madami kasi sumasakay. Puro sa beach. Yung People's Park. Wala namang buong train yung bago. Ay! Hindi ko umiikot dito. Masakit sa loob. Kala mo lang tatami ang ulo mo sa akin. Ano? Special. Ngayon naman na mapag-ride.